Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. Many of us face this problem during a long air travel, or I can say long travel. What is that? Neck pain. Yes, when you have a long travel to do and you have to do it in a sitting position, you have the fatigue, you do not get sleep, and you do not have a comfortable pillow where you can relax or lean on and have a nap. Many of us adjust with this neck pillows which are highly uncomfortable. Today's product which I am going to unbox is a solution to this. This is nothing but a new edge travel pillow called Nap Easy, which helps in napping in a easy way. This pillow can be used in air travel or car travel, or if you feel like having a short nap during your office hours also, this helps for that. This also helps in having a short rest anywhere. Even if you are a passenger in a car, you want to relax a bit in a sitting position, you can use this pillow for that. So let's get started and do the unboxing. So this is the box. You can see Nap Easy here. Here if you see unbox possibilities. So here it says nap anywhere, nap anyhow. Desk hibernation, daydreaming, deep sleep mode, wall rest, and you can see the different variants in which it is available is provided here. If anyone chooses to buy, they can choose the variants here, and here they have given the steps to use, how it has to be used, the detailed one. You can pause the video and have a look, and then here to attach the sling for deep sleep mode, how it is here it is given, and here how to relax with Nap Easy. Storage space, like it takes very less storage space, water repellent, dual layer memory foam, all the details are given here, and material info is provided here. So here it is a do's wherein it is mentioned children should use this Nap Easy under adult supervision, and what are all the materials and fabrics used here, and do not use Nap Easy for pillow fights. Do not expose Nap Easy to fire, it is not flame retardant. So if you come see here, it comes in two variants. When I say variants, two sizes. One is standard, the other is largest size. You can choose this based on your requirement. Let's see what else is there. Here it says Nap Easy, your ergonomic pillow, www.napeasy.com. Same thing here. So let's open this up. So welcome note here. So here again it says thank you for choosing Nap Easy as your comfort companion, and the product, and the user guide for the average cat napper. So these are the instructions. Same thing. So I think this is the carry bag. We'll come to this later. I guess this is the pillow cover. We'll open this later. So this is the actual Nap Easy pillow. So let's open this up. Very soft, and soft on the outside, but it's very sturdy. So how do you open this? Press this cloud button. You can see the channel opening up. If you have to close it, again press the cloud button and just push it down. Very compact. See, this is the size of it. This is how it is. So now let's see what else is there in this. I am keeping it here. Coming to the bag. So this is the carry bag. When you are traveling, you can just slide this in. And carry it. Not much of weight. So let's open this up. If you see the bag itself, it's very lightweight, waterproof material. Inside also some kind of waterproofing is done, and it's the pull kind of mechanism. No fancy zippers which will not work. Here you can place some earpods, earplugs, whatever you want. Comfortable, big pocket provided. You have the earphones option also here. So this is about the bag. Now let's see this. This is the additional cover. This is doodle design, which we can use it as a replacement for this. So if you had noticed, it has a zipper, meaning this can be opened and replaced. So once you want to wash it, you can take this off and then wash it and put it back in. Very comfortable. I'll just show you how to use this. So now I am going to show you how to use this. I am going to press the cloud button here and pull it. This is the first lock system. So this is come in the lock position now. This, suppose I am traveling in a flight, I can use it like this. Next I am going to show how to use this while sleeping. If you are in a middle seat and you do not have right or left support, in that case you can lean the pillow like this and take support and sleep like this or sleep like this. Or if you have a window seat, you can lean the pillow like this to the window and sleep like this. This portion will get the support from your body, and this from the leaning to the window side. So you can sleep like this, or if you are on the other side, probably you can sleep like this. If you want back support, you can keep it like this and just get a lumbar support, or you can increase it to this height and take a support like this. Keep it at your back and rest your head. This is the maximum height. You can see how much it can go. You have different heights which can go. You can adjust it based on your requirement and the height which is required for you. And if you want to close it, you just press the cloud pillow and close it in. That's all. So you can lock it in the required height based on your position. You can see the grooves here which come in a locking position. Based on your height preference, you can adjust this based on the height required. So very comfortable. You can easily use it while traveling. You can sleep like this in a car on the window side. If not, if you are sitting in the middle, you want to sleep, you can put it to the seat in the front and sleep like this. This portion gets the support from your body, and this portion you can easily rest your head like this, whichever way you want. You can use this if you are working long hours in office, or if you want to take a short nap in office as well. Same way, you can use it on your desk, lean it on your desk and sleep like this, or if you have a wall support, or if you want to lean on to your back, you can use the same way as I have shown you. Or if you want to lean on your desk and sleep, you can completely do this and put it on your desk and sleep like this. Suppose the desk is here, you can sleep like this. This is very good for napping easy. So nap easy. This product is available in Amazon as well. You can purchase it directly from Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description box below. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Nap easy.